Entity Framework Core in an ASP.NET Core application? Options: A. Microsoft.Entity Framework Core. SQL Server B. Microsoft.Entity Framework Core. Tools. C. Microsoft.Entity Framework Core D. All of the above. Answer: D. What is the purpose of the configure services method in the startup.cs file? Options: A. To configure the HTTP request pipeline. B. To register services with the dependency injection container. C. To configure middleware. D. To configure routes. Answer: C. Which of the following is used to add custom middleware to the pipeline in ASP.NET Core? Options: A. App, use middleware. B. Services, add middleware. C. Services, configure. D. App.use routing. Answer: A. In ASP.NET Core, how do you define a route that matches a specific controller action? Options: A. By using the route attribute. B. By configuring routes in configure services. C. By creating a routing file. D. By using the HTTP GET method. Answer: A. Which service is used for configuration management in an ASP.NET Core application? Options: A. iConfiguration. B. iService Collection. iHosting Environment. D. iOptions. Answer: A. What method would you use to add support for MVC in an ASP.NET Core application? Options: A. Services, add MVC. B. Services, add controllers with views. C. Services, add mCore. D. Services, add Razor Pages. Answer: C. Which of the following is not a valid method to configure routes in ASP.NET Core? Options: A. Attribute routing. B. Convention-based routing. C. Manual routing in configure. D. URL-based routing. Answer: D. In ASP.NET Core, which middleware is used to handle HTTP requests that result in a 404 status code? Options: A. Use exception handler. B. Use status code pages. C. Use custom error pages. D. Use routing. Answer: B. How do you add a session in ASP.NET Core? Options: A. Services add session. B. Services add a distributed memory cache. C. App uses session. D. Both A and C answer: D. Which HTTP status code is returned by the NotFound method in ASP.NET Core? Options: A. 400B, 404C, 500D, 200. Answer: B. Which ASP.NET Core feature allows dependency injection of services into controller constructors? Options: A. Middleware. B. Attribute routing. C. Dependency injection. Configuration. Answer: C. Which of the following is used for logging in an ASP.NET Core application? Options: A. Microsoft extensions .logging, Microsoft extensions caching, Microsoft extensions hosting, Microsoft ASP Net Core diagnostics. Answer: A. Which of the following is used to add Swagger support to your ASP.NET Core API? Options: A. Services, add Swagger. B. Services, add Swagger Gen. C. Services, add API docs. D. Services, add Swagger UI. Answer: B. Which file contains the main configuration settings for an ASP.NET Core application? Options: A. App settings.json. B. Startup.css. C. Web.config. D. Program.cs. Answer A. What method is used to configure the